Welcome back for another episode of Make It, where today I'm tackling the X-Force Wolverine mask. For this video, all I used was some black foam, white knitting mesh, some red paint, a gray t-shirt, and a sewing kit and hot glue. Now the first step that I actually took here was I took the t-shirt and cut out the shape of the head from the neck hole up. Now you don't need to actually keep the neck hole, but I find that it's sometimes a bit more comfortable to keep it on. After cutting is done, I began sewing up the mask itself. For the mouthpiece portion of this, some of the sew work will be cut away, so I applied some hot glue onto those bare threads just to hold them in place. With some white knitting mesh here, I painted over it with the red paint for the eyes. Now you don't have to use mesh. You could use, if you had some lenses, you could pop out of some sunglasses, that would work too. For the black portion of the mask, I took a sheet of black foam and folded it in half before cutting it. That way everything would be perfectly symmetrical. Once everything has been cut out, I just started gluing everything into place. And after a few minor personal touches, it's pretty much ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helps. And if you have a suggestion for a future episode, please let me know below. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks very much for watching.